Don't touch that knife.
161 westbound, mile marker 45, 34C. In the
So,
grass,
you're good.
the white
So,
fencing, there's a bale slumped over.
On June 24th, 2024, at approximately 4:08 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched on a call about a homeless person trespassing and setting up camp in a place they were told not to. The officers arrived on scene and made contact with the man, who ended up having warrants, and you'll never believe what its warrants were for.
Yep. She said that she saw the male with a female at the corner of Cleveland 161, so there may not be anybody in here, but if there is.
Well, I love on duty hiking.
Oh, sure. You get to see all of it. They cleared it all out. There's all sorts of tents and stuff.
624.
You too.
36, large objects in the roadway, 270 northbound, mile marker 34, laundry basket, some kind of metal, where the freeway divides
no
into
shelter,
local and express.
Right. But I think there's probably still somebody back here. There's more up here. It's because, no, well, maybe. We're also in the woods. So, oh, they do have it still set up over here.
Say that again?
It's a tarp. Yeah, are we code 3 in, or are we taking a report here?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, these are here too.
You take a code 1 or what's your
Yeah, it's tree line. No. How you doing, sir? You staying back here?
I just woke up this morning.
Okay. Well, the property owner doesn't want anyone to be here any longer. Okay.
Is anybody else here with you? Are you alone or?
No, I'm wrong.
You're alone?
Yeah.
All right.
I just gathered my few things and I'll be doing mine.
Okay. Well, the property owner
Don't touch
doesn't.
that knife for me, okay, bud?
Huh?
Don't touch that knife.
161 westbound, mile marker 45, 34C. In the
So,
grass,
you're good.
the white
So,
fencing, there's a bale slumped over a big
they don't want
riding
anybody else
collar.
here. Okay.
Close
So
to
we have to
walking
take a
toward
report. Do you have your
land.
ID with you? Okay.
So is anybody else here with you that we need to speak with, or are you by yourself?
So.
Okay.
You made a mess here by yourself, with nobody else? That's a
No,
lot.
there's a bunch of people here.
They all left?
Well, they were here now. They've been staying there for
Oh, I got
6
you.
months.
Is it April and Ellen? You know them?
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay. You don't have your ID with you?
No.
Have you have an ID though?
Somewhere. I just
Okay, it's no problem. You know your social offhand?
No, you know.
What's your name then?
I have cancer right here. Have I done anything wrong with you?
No, you're not in trouble. We just have to take a report to make sure that you're aware that you're trespassed and you can't come back here.
Oh yeah, I'm aware. I won't be back.
Well, yeah, but we have to document it as well. Okay. What's your name?
You know, Officer Reed,
I do.
I talked to you too, remember?
Maybe.
Yeah, you remember I talked to you too.
Okay.
You know, I worked over at church. I got to go back over to the church, God's Christian Town.
On Cleveland?
Yeah.
Okay.
Remember I had an issue over there with the guy, and he kept trying to rob me and take my stuff.
Okay.
Must have been another officer. I don't know.
Officer Reed, you know.
Yeah, I know Officer Reed.
He's got skin cancer too. I got cancer.
Yeah.
See what I've been on my
Yeah.
name. And I just came up because I've been talking to.
You're not in trouble or anything.
shoot.
You're
Well,
okay.
I might be. Officer Reed he gave me a court date. I missed my
Okay.
court date.
Okay. So you think you might have a warrant or something?
Yeah, it's for missing court. So
Okay.
if I did, I might go to jail. I won't-
Well, we have to look. Do you know what the court date was for?
I had a house and they ripped it down.
Okay. Okay.
I made it during the winter time because the shelter.
Look, if
Okay.
it's something small, we're not too concerned
Right.
about it. We'll call the judge. We'll try to work with you and reschedule.
And I won't reschedule. I just don't want a phone number.
Yeah. We can work with that. So we'll worry about that if it comes to it. Okay.
Okay, it
But
doesn't change the fact that unfortunately you are trespassing today, and we have to take a report to document that we are telling you you're no longer allowed to come back, because if you do, you'll be placed under arrest.
Right.
So
But
it's just
today
gonna be-
you're alright.
Yes. So it's just going to be an official report documenting that. That way, if you do come back next time and officers see you, they can, there's a paper trail showing that you
See,
knowingly violated the law.
I was on this property here. Like that property, I got trapped there and a couch. That's where I see. I just got a few things there.
Yeah.
I just want to get out of here.
Yeah. No problem. Well, hold on. First things first. I want to know your name.
I'll be gone. Here.
Okay.
And then, I'm just trying to get myself. And I got jumped. They hit me.
Yeah, let's take it one step at a time. Your
And
ID
then
first, so we can take a report.
They fucking broke my tooth off.
How long ago was that?
It was like 2 nights ago. I was trying to get my stuff so I could go. And it busted me in the eye and they fucking broke my tooth off. I just lost a lot of it. Took by a couple of dollars. They took it.
I'm sorry to hear that. Were you able to contact police at that time?
No, sir. And I have no way to. They're only here to.
Where did that happened over at the church?
I was taking my stuff back and forth from the church, and it happened right here in this parking lot.
Okay. Was anyone else around, or was it just you?
It was just me,
You got mugged, basically?
pretty much.
Do you know who the person is that mugged you?
I don't know. It was somebody I never seen before.
Alright, well, let me check on, I want to make sure for you since you missed a court date, and then we'll work through that, alright? Do you have a phone at all, or did they take that phone?
I just got one, but it's got only works through Wi-Fi, and I don't have no SIM card yet.
Okay. Alright, well, you said for sure there's no one else here right now, right?
Not that I know of.
Okay.
Pass it along to your buddies.
Yep.
If you do see them, that the owner of the
14 to leads list.
14, stand by, you're on the list.
Okay.
Pass it along to your buddies if you do see them that the owner of this property has given the police trespass authority. Do you know what that means?
Yes, ma'am.
That we can trespass on their behalf, right?
Yes.
And that any violator is going to be taken to jail. Today we're giving you a warning, okay? But we are documenting that we gave you that warning. That way, if this happens again, there's going to be no excuse, right? Okay, I want you to be fully aware of that and definitely pass it along to your buddies.
Yes,
That they're not messing around. Apparently there was a rape here not too long ago. Obviously there's a lot of trash. Somebody's going to have to pay people to clean all of this up.
Yeah.
And it's not going to be you guys. So just like pass that along for us, because you're going to help us out and you're going to help your friends out, because they're not going to end up going to jail later if we do catch them. You know what I mean?
So you have possibles, okay? So we're detaining you for this moment while they verify. If there's something we can get you a new court date, we will.
What's it for?
Obstructing official business and trespassing. Does that sound familiar? Is that the court date that Rodney told you about? Officer Reed? Mr. Witt?
Officer Reed. Yeah, he's the one that gave it to me. I told and I asked him to help me reset it, man, and he said he's going to.
Okay.
I have no way to get there.
Do you think it was for the trespass? You think it was?
It's for this here, just for I stayed over to here
He said he
now.
was staying by the dumpsters there, then here, and he was
It's
told
for
not
the
to come
dentist,
back.
man. The
The
dentist.
dentist. Okay.
Because I stayed in dentist. I took my stuff back in and everything, and I'm trying to move it, sir. And
All right. Well,
Besides that knife, do you have any other weapons on you, sir?
no,
I'm just
man.
gonna give you a pat down, okay, to make sure you don't have any like bazookas tucked away
No,
anywhere.
man, just pins and dumb crap I found on the ground.
okay. Is this like a
I
vape or
won't work
something?
this. I don't want to go to jail.
We don't want to take you to jail
else I
either.
had.
That's a lot of time.
Yeah.
But we're gonna try to help you. But again, it's not up to us. It's up to the judge that signed your warrant. So we'll call that judge. If the judge is cool with us rescheduling you, we're more
Right.
than happy to do that.
That would be great.
But again, it's not up to us. It's up to the judge. We're gonna give him a call, and whatever that judge says is how it's gotta be. Okay? So we're not trying to do you dirty here, okay, man?
I'm not trying to do anything wrong. I'm trying to survive.
For sure, I understand that. Aren't we all? Some of us just have it a little worse
Yeah,
than others. That's
but I
it.
get rid every day where you guys. Everywhere I go.
You want to try walking around or back through the woods?
Um,
Or I can
What do
go and pull up my car here.
we'll go back through the woods. It's a straighter shot.
Do you want
We're-
your knife with you, or are you cool with leaving it here?
No, they'll be gone.
Okay.
Yeah,
we'll grab it.
It's perfectly legal. I paid
Yeah,
for
yeah.
that.
Oh, it's no problem. So let's walk back through the path here. Okay, I'll get you in the car for a second. If we can get you a new court date, we'll let you go. All right.
And
I know how to push it back in now.
you push the button back down. The stiletto.
Is it?
Those just became legal this year in the United States.
You gotta show me. You can just do it and.
You
never
push
tried
the
that.
push the button back down, man.
Is it-
Push the button back
Yeah, I
down.
got it.
Is it against the ground?
No, push the button down. There you go,
Oh,
man.
look at that.
Switchblade.
14.
No, it's a
Last
stiletto.
time
Stiletto.
these are illegal.
No, I don't know that they
They
are.
just made legal this year.
14. Good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Let's keep walking, sir.
I'll be gone, guys. Just give me my bag real quick, sir.
We will. We'll come back for it.
Let's sit right there.
14. Go ahead.
Okay, so the first for obstructing official business, the case number is 24, Charles Robert Boston, 5805. That is good with a $1,554 CSA. The second is 24 CRV 7326. That's the criminal trespass. That has a $564 CSA. Those are no recite.
14. I copy. Thank you. You got all that?
Yep.
You're welcome, sir.
They said no recite, but we're gonna see about that. It means typically that they won't allow us to grant a new court date. Have you missed more than one, or just the one?
Just one as far as I know.
Okay. Maybe Officer Reed tried to get another one, and that lapsed as well. Usually they give you one chance. I'm sorry?
I haven't done anything wrong but try to see my doctor, man.
I know, I hear you. It's the people who own the properties. They have the right to trespass, folks. And I know you're trying to get by, so I'm sorry that this is falling upon you. But hopefully, it's just a minor roadblock on the way. You get back.
It's up too late to reach it.
That's not tobacco. Okay,
And
we'll keep this all with you.
if you would,
Yes, sir.
can you do me a favor? If you go back sitting in that chair, you grab my other hat to the left like that.
Is it like this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And right down to the bottom, I have a black backpack.
Okay. I'll grab it for you.
It's a big cooler backpack.
Okay.
And it's got all my everything.
All right. Watch your head getting in. All right. All right, I'll go grab your bag, and then we'll get moving, all right?
Black cooler.
640, be clear to Victor.
Okay. Go ahead.
clear 2 Victor. You can get to that 30A on 4757 Bridge.
I looked everywhere. I promise. I tore it all up. I lifted the chair. I looked under everything. I dug through. I can't find it. No backpack. Not any kind of backpack was in there that I could see. I tried. I'm sorry.
Jeremiah Witt had warrants for criminal trespassing and obstructing official business. He went to court and ultimately pled guilty to the criminal trespassing charge, where he was given a 30-day jail sentence with 8 days of credit and 22 days on the shelf. The obstructing official business charge was dismissed.
Before we take you in, is there anything I missed, like contraband, any alcohol, ammunition, weapons, anything like that?
That's fine. I know.
Okay, nothing hidden on your person or anything? All right, go ahead. You can go and follow me.